Hello, welcome back to my channel, Love2GUIDE623. I'm here to do a love reading for the sign of Libra for June 2021. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate your continued support. All right. What messages do we have for Libra, June 2021? Love messages. Love messages. Love messages. Love messages for Libra. All right. Close your eyes and tell yourself that you deserve to feel joyful. You can allow joy into your life regardless of the circumstances you currently find yourself in. Okay. I'm picking up, remember this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. That's okay. But I'm picking up, some of you are in doubt when it comes to love. You doubt, like you're doubting something. You could be in a connection with someone and you feel doubt. You're not sure. Or for some of you, you feel like you're never going to meet that person. I'm just picking up doubt. And with close your eyes and tell yourself that you deserve to feel joyful. I'm hearing manifest. Like manifest. If this is something that you really desire, manifest. That's what I'm hearing. Give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. So yeah, for some of you, that's what I said. You may already have a connection with a person and there's doubt. And you're being guided to give the relationship a chance. Give this person a chance. Okay. All right, so let's pull some tarot and get into your reading. Love messages for Libra, June 2021. Love messages. Love messages for Libra. All righty, let's see. All right. Oh, that's too many. All right, Libra. Let's see. Love messages for Libra. Okay. All All right, so starting off your reading, Libra, you have the Five of Pentacles. So this is kindness, stability, also being guided to save your money as well. This is a love reading, but I have to give you the messages that I get. But this is kindness and stability. So this person, maybe this person is showing you that, and you're still doubting it. All right, we have the Seven of Chalices. So this is choices, options. This could also be, in low vibration, this could also be laziness. So maybe you could feel that there's no balance there. One person could be putting in more effort than the other. That could be what's causing the doubt. We're going to clarify though. All right, and then we have Five of Swords. So this is a truce. This is forgiveness. This is releasing negative energy, negative thoughts. And then we have the Six of Wands. So this is achievement, feeling confident. And then we have the Two of Swords. So this is clarity, needing some understanding, reflecting on the situation. All right, so let's clarify. Let's see what's going on, Libra. Love messages for Libra, June 2021. What's the Five of Pentacles? What's the Five of Pentacles? Clarify with the Seven of Pentacles. This is manifesting, which I mentioned earlier. This is manifesting, wanting to make the progress, dedicating yourself to a situation. So you could want this, you and your person could want this relationship, connection. Okay. And then we have the Three of Wands. This is collaboration, connection. So again, you both could want this connection. Let's clarify the Seven of Chalices. I'm getting that you may feel that you want, or that you may feel that you want this person more than they want you, or vice versa. The person could feel that they want you more than you want them. It's something like that. It's something to do with balance and doubt. All right. So we have the Emperor. So someone could be stubborn. Someone could be holding back, being stubborn. Sorry, you guys hear the fireworks in the background. And then we have the Fool card. So someone's being stubborn and someone's willing to take the risk for this connection. That's where the balance is needed. Okay. Alrighty, so 5 of Swords. Five of Swords. What's the 5 of Swords? Yeah, someone's ready to take the risk and someone's being stubborn. 5 of Wands. Someone may feel that the other person has options. That's why they're hesitating. This could be you, Libra, or this could be your person. Your person could feel that you have options, or you could feel that your person has options, and that's the hesitation here. That's the doubt here. All right. Let's clarify this 5 of Wands. What's the 5 of Wands? Okay. What's the 5 of Wands? All right, clarified by the 2 of Chalices. So someone definitely wants the connection, the happiness. Someone definitely wants the happiness, the love, and the union. I know you guys can hear the fireworks, so they want the fireworks. They want the happiness, the union, the connection. Someone does. Someone has to be willing to take the risk, though. Someone has to be willing to take the risk and give this relationship a chance. You deserve happiness. All right. What's the 5? I'm sorry. What's the 6 of Wands? 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 Knave of Swords. So this is my all talk, no action card. So someone could be hesitant because they feel that this person is all talk, no action. So this could be the hesitation, the doubt right here. All talk, no action. Sorry, I keep saying fireworks. So someone's waiting on movement, action, some firecrackers, some fireworks. All right, Spirit. What messages do we have? Definitely fireworks. 2 of Swords. What's the 2 of Swords? Someone needs movement. That's the hold up. Someone needs movement. Where's the movement? Knave of Pentacles. Yeah. This is the Page card. There's no movement. Let's see, will there be any movement? I didn't see any movement. Yeah. Yeah, this person. Any other messages? Libra is waiting on movement. Will there be any movement? The Death card. So for some of you, you could be ending it. Or for some of you, you're ending waiting on this person. For some of you, you could have been waiting on this person. The Death card also represents rebirth. So I saw like the truth card here. Yeah. So the Death card could also represent rebirth, forgiveness. So maybe this person, I'm looking at this Emperor here, this person could have, I'm hearing stalling, being stubborn. And Libra, you could be over. You could be ending this. You could be over this person being stubborn. But you're being guided to give this person a chance to take a risk. That's what's showing up in your reading. This person could be stubborn. I'm hearing hard to understand or hard to figure out. That's what I'm picking up. This person could be hard to understand or hard to figure out with the stubbornness. But you've had enough. You're over this. Either this person you're going to take a risk, or this person needs to take a risk. All right, what other messages do we have? All right, what other messages do we have for Libra? You need action. You need action from this person. That's where this doubt is coming from. All right. All right. So this is the Eight of Wands. So this is messages. Messages. So this person could be coming towards you, expressing themselves, coming out of the stubborn energy. They could be coming towards you, expressing themselves, finally opening up. Because I'm picking up that you feel that this person is hard to figure out. I'm also picking up that this person that's showing up in this Emperor energy, this person is all about their money. This person could work a lot. They're all about their money. Like that's their focus. That's their focus. Yeah, because you have the Pentacles. Showing up twice here in a reading. This person could be all about their money, focused on their money, and you just feel like this person is talking and telling you how they feel and what they want to do, but they're not showing it. And that's what's causing you this doubt. Like, do you want to give this relationship a chance? That's what's causing this doubt. All right. Let me try pulling. Let's see. What other messages do we have? Let me try this deck. Well, there's the High Priestess at the bottom of this deck. Definitely use your intuition, Libra. You know what's best for you. You know what makes you happy. Definitely use your intuition. What other messages do we have for Libra? June love reading with this person. Okay. Yeah, so you have release your worry, Libra. Release your worry, your doubt when it comes to this person. This person wants to teamwork with you. They're going to put in the teamwork. You have the Justice card. So this person is going to be fair with you. They're going to be open and honest with you, give you the balance that you need. This is the Justice card, which is the Libra showing up in your reading. So you're going to seek justice, happiness, balance with this person because that's what you're waiting on. That's what you're waiting on. This person is coming off as stubborn and hard to figure out. And they know it. Some of you may have already addressed the situation with your person. But the balance is coming. So patience. Be patient. But again, use your intuition. Do what makes you happy at the end of the day, Libra. So good luck to you. I hope you enjoyed this reading. If you did, give me a thumbs up with all the fireworks. I hope you receive happiness with this person. But leave me a thumbs up if you like this reading. If it resonates, please leave me a comment and let me know as well. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Peace out. Thanks.